See, understand one thing. In the society, there are two types of people: one who has subtle vision, one who has gross vision. Gross vision means only having external dealings, and the subtle vision have are done by, like, the sadhus, the saints have. Not only those who have wearing saffron, even a householder can be a sadhu if he acts like a sadhu. So the person with the gross vision and intelligence, he will think that, oh, this Agastya Rishi is being so proud. He, when disrespected, when he did not get honor, he just cursed Indradyumna Maharaj to become an elephant. But this is not the point. Here, there is a exchange of sanskaras. If the king follows something, if the great person follows something, then everyone follows the same thing. If the king has a car, then everyone will have a car. Whatever the king do, the people, ordinary people, they follow that thing. Today, the king has actually broken the standards. The point here is not about my honor or respect, it's about etiquettes. That if a person does not stand up saying Guru Vargas, there will be a great fault and offense. So if I don't retaliate and don't punish him by giving him this curse, then it will be fault on me. See, I'll explain you. Suppose we went to someone's house. So in that house, he showed us the temple of the house, and the temple, it is seen that Ganesh ji, Hanuman ji, Durga ji, Shiv ji, everyone is there in that temple. And at their lotus feet, there is Ram Darbar. See, there is Ram ji also, Shiv ji, Sham ji, Durga ji, everyone is there. And Sita Ram ji's place has been kept at the feet of Hanumanji. Radha Krishna, they are kept at the feet of Ganeshji. That means Ganeshji is higher and Radha Krishna is at the lower position. If after seeing this, if we don't correct that thing, we don't respond on that, then there will be a fault from our part that you saw and you didn't teach. Understand? And if we just say that, see, this is not right, this is not proper, don't keep Ramji at the feet of Hanumanji. Just keep Hanumanji at the feet of Ramji. Now he is keeping or not, then it's his fault. But you have done your task. You have corrected. So if you are corrected and still you do the same fault, then it's a greater offense. And we also, if we see something bad and we don't correct it, then that's a fault from our part. So that's why sometimes we become bad when we teach. So how to welcome Guruji, how to feed Guruji, how to give him prasadam, everything has a proper standard and etiquette. You can, your behavior with the general audience will be very different from your behavior with Guruji and Vaishnavas when they come in your house, because they are our great well-wisher also and they are our teachers also. They are both. So that's why Agastya Rishi ji is correcting, not for himself. Sadhu does not need anything actually. You throw flower in front of him or don't throw. He will just do his task and he will go. He does not have any other objectives. He will always see both the situations similar. But when there comes the point of teaching, then if he stays silent, then it will be his fault. He will get the fault. So that's why Agastya Rishi did not stay silent. He at once gave the curds that, oh king, you kept Thakurji's service higher than Guruji's service. this is a fault. Now you guys must be thinking that how can it be a fault? Lord's service is going on and there is nothing superior to that. No. If we are making Thakurji take bath, and if Guruji has come in between, then keeping Thakurji there itself, first stand up and pay obeisances to Guruji. Otherwise, there is a fault which is called Niyamagraha. Niyamagraha. So it's a fault. There are so many faults that we don't even know. For example, we say ancestral fault, Pitra dosh. There are always some faults that comes up. So in the same way, Niyamagraha is a great fault. Either not following the rules and all, either not at all following the rules, it's a fault, or just over following the rules in such a way that others get disrespected. I am serving Thakurji and I don't need to take care of anything else. See, that personality who has taught you that service to Thakurji, who has given you mantra, who has given you the seed of bhakti. There is one, the person who gives you birth, and there is one who gives you spiritual birth, who gives you spiritual birth by giving you mantra. So that personality is more important than Thakurji also. Prathamam tum guru pujya. These are the words of scriptures. Then you will not get fault. Krishna himself is saying that first serve your guru and then you come to me. And first if you serve me and then go to Guruji, then I'll not accept your service. I am not saying this. There is this shloka which says this. Now this standard was getting broken there, and that's why Agastya Rishi at once cursed. But he could have corrected little softly. Why he just cursed to become an elephant, making him an animal? At once did not correct it that, oh my son, this is not right what you are doing. Just at once cursed to become an elephant. This is very difficult to understand. Why these saints, they are soft in nature, then they do like this. Oh, you have perfections, you can drink 7 oceans and all, but this does not mean that you can just curse anyone like this. Now understand this point also. The anger of devotees, there is so much auspiciousness that we cannot even think about it. So this is the difference. If an ordinary person says that I curse you, actually first point is that he can never curse, because for giving curse there is a requirement of strong strength. We don't have anything, and then on what basis I can actually curse anyone else? We don't have the strength of austerity. If we have that, we can give some blessings. The person who gives curse, then his merits actually get destroyed. If he has 100 rupees and he gave a curse of 10 rupees, then he has 90 rupees left. And we don't have any rupees to even blessings or curse. No. Now, Indradyumna Maharaj, he attained the Supreme Lord in that birth of an elephant. When crocodile is actually biting his feet and pulling in the water, now in that unfavorable situation, he actually surrendered to the Lord and he attained the Lord. Now when he surrendered, the Lord came and at once protected Gajendra and liberated him to Vaikuntha. It may have happened that Gajendra, this Indradyumna Maharaj would have not surrendered like this in his l- life as Indradyumna Maharaj. So now Shukadeva Goswami started going. Now there were some young girls. Now in a pond, actually, this is about Naradji. When he was passing by, Naradji was passing by in a place where there were young girls and the two sons of Nalakuver and Manigriva. The two sons of Kuver, Nalakuver and Manigriva, they were taking bath and enjoying. Now when this saintly person came, all the young girls, they became very shy. They all just covered their body with cloths. But these two personalities, the son of Kubera, they are full of pride. First pride is that, oh, we are the son of great rich man. So Kuber is that personality who is the treasurer of demigods. So first, pride that, oh, we are the son of great person, Kuber, very rich man. And second, intoxication is of youthfulness. Oh, we are youth. We are young. Nobody can actually say anything to us. So all these intoxication of false pride, false ego, they were completely in that state and they just stood up without any shame and they came naked in front of Naradji. See, you can be naked in your washroom and in your room, but you cannot stay naked in front of Guruji. You have to cover yourself. Now these two personalities, they came naked and said, what kind of words they are using? They are saying, hey, did you not get any other path to go? You could have gone from other path. Now if someone say like this to Naradji, it just sounds so weird. And Naradji very softly singing and he is cursing in a singing manner. Does anyone curse like this? Singing in a soft tune and cursing. It may happen that Satish ji is singing on the Saturday evening. Somebody did not ask him water and then in a very nice tune he is cursing while singing, taking a rag. Hey, foolish! May you not get water next day. So, a person gives curse in anger, not by singing, but Naradji is having an instrument in his hand and he is cursing, singing like anything. That, oh, seeing me, you are standing here naked? Okay, then stay naked only. Become trees. Trees always stay naked. So, there was a requirement of correction here, was it not? And Naradji did that. Naradji was not angry. He actually sang and cursed. That means in that singing, in that song, he actually showed his pity situation towards them. They are such nice sons of a great man and they are such situation. So out of pity, he just cursed them, become trees. They both became trees, but where? In Gokul, in the courtyard of Nand Baba, in Gokul Mahavan. And both of them saw those things which even the demigods cannot see. What? They saw all the childhood pastimes of Kanhaiya. In the courtyard of Nand Baba, Kanhaiya used to run away with butter in the hand and used to apply butter sometimes on the tree, sometimes playing hide and seek, and Kanhaiya would just hide behind these trees when Maiya is searching. So many times these cursed personalities, Nalakuvera and Manigriva, they have seen the beautiful darshans of Krishna's childhood pastime. Why? They could have stayed. If they could have stayed, if they would have stayed, being the son of Kubera, then they would have never witnessed all these pastimes. So when they got connected or came in contact with Naradji, be it through his blessings or curse, it helped actually. So if the real guru, the real pure devotee, his curse also act as a great blessing, because he does not have any kind of enviousness, any kind of enmity. It's full of softness, full of compassion. So how they became two trees? And in the month of Damodar, in the month of Kartik, which is about to come, Yashoda Maya just binded Kanhaiya with the grinding mortar, and Krishna just went between these two trees, and these two trees fell. And two divine personalities, Nala Kuvera Manigriva, came out. And they explained everything, what happened. Thakurji is saying, oh, that's nice. Naradji cursed you. Now what further? Now these two personalities went to Golok Vrindavan, in the eternal abode of the Lord, and they both became a singer, whose name were Snigdhakant and Madhukanta. You understand Kant? Kant means throat, that oh, your voice is so nice. Madhukant means very sweet, sweet voice, and Snigdhakant means very nice, nectarian voice. So, both of them, what they do? In the assembly of Nand Baba, they actually sing the glories of Kanhaiya. One brother Snigdhakant and the another brother, that is Madhukant, in the evening assembly. No one is there. Radhaji, Lalita, Vishaka and the gopis are there one side. On the other side, Krishna's friend. Now Madhukant, he is singing the glories and the pastimes of Radha Krishna.
साधु का अहो भगत हरि होकर स्वागत करने से ही साक्षात दूसरी बात पांडव तुम्हारे प्रिय हैं और दुर्योधन तेरा शिष्य दुर्योधन ऐसा मूर्ख व्यक्ति गुरु ने बनाया तो किसको फल देगी बलराम जी को किसके गुरु बनाया गदा गुरु बलराम जी हमको गदा युद्ध बस इसके गुरु बनाया अरे मूर्ख व्यक्ति इतने बड़े बलराम जी एक बार भी कह देता बलराम जी मैं बड़ा दुष्ट हूँ और सब आपके छोटे भाई कृष्ण की भक्ति मानते हो मुझको जरा बता सकते हो इतना ही बोल देता बलराम जी क्या नहीं दे देते इसको गले लगाकर कृष्ण की भक्ति इसको दे देते बस ऐसी कौन सी वस्तु बलराम जी नहीं ले सकते वो जो कृष्ण भी नहीं दे सकते, उनके बड़े भैया बलराम जी दे सकते। तो देखो देखकर कन्हैया खड़े हो जाए। बलराम जी आए तो सारे के सारे ऋषि खड़े हो गए। वाह, आज तो सफल हो गया हमारा, कथा सुनी सार्थक हो गई, साक्षात भगवत स्वरूप बलराम जी चले आए, और क्या चाहिए। लेकिन ये रोमर्शन, ये बैठे बैठे बस कथा ही सुनाते जा रहे हैं, खड़ा नहीं हुआ। रोमर्शन भी मन में यही विचार कर रहे हैं जो इंद्रद्युम्न राजा कर रहे थे, कि मैं यदि भगवान की कथा सुना रहा हूं, उनका कीर्तन कर रहा हूं, तो मुझको खड़े होने की क्या आवश्यकता है, मैं तो भगवान की सेवा कर रहा हूं। बलराम जी ने कहा यदि आज मैंने इस करेक्शन नहीं किया, समाज में प्रचलन हो जाएगा। और उनका करेक्शन तो बड़ा भयंकर है। एक घास का टुकड़ा लिया, कुशा घास, और रोमर्शन सुनकर गला ही काट दिया। शाप वाप की बात छोड़ो, गला ही काट दिया। बलराम जी के हाथ से मारे गए। ऋषि कहने लगे, ओहो ये आपने क्या किया बलराम जी, ये आपने क्या किया। बलराम जी ने कहा जिंदा कर दूं, जीवित कर दूं। परीक्षा लेने जा रहे हैं बलदेव जी कि कहीं ये लोग सोच रहे मैंने गलत काम किया। भगवत स्वरूप में कभी कोई भूल नहीं होती है। यदि किसी को मार भी रहे हैं, उसके पीछे कोई कारण है। बलराम जी ने कहा जीवित कर दूं, कहो तो। सब कहने के नहीं नहीं, आपने जो किया सोच समझ के ठीक ही किया होगा, हम ये कहने के लायक भी नहीं है कि आप इसको जीवित कर दो। हम तो बस इस चिंता में हैं, कथा कौन सुनाएगा। बलराम जी ने कहा उसकी चिंता मत करो, इन्हीं रोमर्शन के पुत्र हैं सुत गोस्वामी, एक छोटा सा बालक। बलराम जी ने उसको हाथ पकड़ा और उनको उठाकर आसन गद्दी पर बिठा दिया। ये सुनाएंगे तो ये कैसे सुनाएंगे कथा, अभी तो बच्चा है। बस बलराम जी ने अपना हाथ सिर पर रख दिया, सारा ज्ञान उमड़ आया। वही सुत गोस्वामी जी नैमिषारण्य में शौनक ऋषियों को भागवत की कथा सुनाते। बलराम जी ने ये समाज में शिक्षा दी। ये दूसरा उदाहरण।
Balram ji, by killing Somharshan Rishi, he actually showed the example. There is this third, he actually set the example and the standards. Now, the third example is Indra. That's why I speak in Katha sometimes. That those who really want to learn, they come up with pen and copy and they just keep writing notes. Because once you write, then you will never forget. Otherwise, right now you remember very nicely. But after 2 days, what was it? Oh, what all things they were saying? Oh, just forgot it. People forget very fast. It will be good. The Bhagavad will be useful if you just follow something, if you learn something. You might not remember the names, but at least remember the meaning of it. In Swarga, Indra is sitting in his assembly. Many big demigods are sitting, they are dancing. Now in that assembly, Indra's Guru, who is Indra's Guru? Indra's Guru is Brahaspati. Now as Brahaspati ji came, Indra saw. He is saying, Indra from very far he saw, and then he just turned his face. Why? Because if I get an eye contact with him, then I have to stand up. And if I stand up, then everyone will stand up. And then if everyone will stand up, then everything, all this music and everything will be stopped. So seeing Guruji,
जबकि शास्त्र में ये लिखा है,
Although in the scriptures it has been written
गुरु जी को दूर से देखकर ही,
that just by seeing Guruji from
इतना
far,
समय नहीं लगाओ कि निकट जाकर प्रणाम
don't even
करो।
take so much time to pay obeisances.
जहाँ पर उनका दर्शन हो गया दूर से ही, उसी स्थान
Wherever
पर
you
ही
have
खड़े
darshan
खड़े
of Guruji,
प्रणाम
even
करो।
from far, you should just pay
कि
obeisances
मेरे को
from
इतना
that
भी नहीं पता
place.
वहाँ तक मैं पहुँच पाऊंगा कि
That,
नहीं,
oh, I don't even know this much that I'll be able to
लेकिन
reach there
प्रणाम
or
करने से
not.
वंचित नहीं हो जाऊँ।
But I should not get,
फिर जब निकट आ जाए फिर एक बार
Really?
प्रणाम करो तो
I should not miss this
पेट घिसेगा,
pranam.
अच्छी रहेगा, थोड़ा योगा हो जाएगा।
And then again when he comes closer, I'll again pay pranam, no worry. But as soon as I see him from far, also I should pay pranam. Now Indra, if even after seeing, he just,
बृहस्पति जी ने देख लिया, अच्छा बेटा कोई बात नहीं, तुम नहीं चाहता मैं आऊं तो ठीक है, तेरी समझ,
he just turned the
मैं यहीं
face.
से मुड़ जाता हूं। बृहस्पति जी ने पीठ करके वहां से जो गए,
Now
अब
Brihaspati
इंद्र को
ji,
लगा बड़ा धक्का, आइए मैंने क्या कर दिया।
when he observed this, he just turned around and left. Now Indra thought that, oh, what did I do?
फैसला और डिसीजन होता है, वो एक क्षण का
See,
फैसला,
this is the decision of just one
वो
moment.
डिसीजन आपको कहाँ पहुंचा सकता है।
That one moment of decision
और वो
can
एक क्षण का, एक सेकंड का
take you
फैसला
anywhere.
आपको नीचे पहुंचा सकता है।
It
उसी
can
समय
take you
एकदम
high or
action-
it can take you low.
अब इंद्र ने गुरु जी को देखा होगा,
अब
गुरु जी ने
इंद्र
देखा होगा तो कितना एक क्षण तो लगा होगा,
Must have seen
वो घुमा लिया।
Guruji and
गुरु जी ने कहा तूने घुमाया तो फिर मैं भी घुमा लेता हूँ।
he saw that Indra turned the face. Now Guruji also turned the face.
अब तो इंद्र को बड़ी गिलानी हुई।
Now Indra is feeling so much guilt that, oh, I did such a great
तो गुरु
offense.
जी की निंदा कर दी, उनकी महिमा को कम कर दिया। ये तो हमको बचाते हैं, शिक्षा देते हैं। बृहस्पति जी लौट कर आएंगे और ये बात पता लग गई असुरों को कि आज सभा में ये
Now
हुआ।
Brihaspati ji, he did not come
असुरों
back.
ने कहा चलो,
And the demons, they
अच्छा
got
होता
to
है।
know that this has happened in the assembly today.
जब गुरु साधना हो तो फिर आक्रमण कर देना चाहिए।
So it's nice.
असुरों ने आक्रमण किया,
Now the demons thought that when Guru is not nearby, then they should just
क्योंकि गुरु
attack.
चरणों में अपराध है।
Now they attacked and they just
स्वर्ग
stole
का राज्य छीन लिया
the
गया।
kingdom of heaven because
ऐसे ही हमारे
they got
अंदर भी
weak. The demigods, they got weak because
देवता का
they
मतलब
did an offense at the
सद्गुण
lotus
होता
feet
है,
of Guru.
असुरों का मतलब तमोगुण होता
Now
है।
demons
कभी
means
हमारा मन बड़ा अच्छा होता है ना,
mode of
अच्छे विचार
ignorance.
आते हैं।
Demigods means mode of
प्राय सुबह
ignorance.
के समय
Sometimes early in the morning we have such nice mood and thoughts.
और जैसी संध्या और रात्रि होती है तामसिक विचार
And
शुरू हो जाते हैं।
as soon as
विशेष करके
the evening
जैसे
comes,
जैसे रात बढ़ती चली जाती है,
our
9 बज गया,
mood
10 बज
also
गया, 11 बज
changes.
गया, तामसिक विचार।
It
और जब
becomes
तामसिक
mode of
विचार हावी
ignorance.
हो जाते हैं तो बुद्धि
And when
काम करना
the
बंद
mode
कर
of
देती है।
ignorance comes, then what happens? Our
मन
brain,
इतना
our mind
प्रभावशाली हो
stops
जाता है
working.
और तामस के साथ मन
Our
भी उठ
intelligence
जाता है।
stops working.
कोई विचार नहीं रह जाता।
Mind becomes very
मैं
strong.
अच्छा करने जा रहा हूँ कि बुरा करने जा रहा हूँ, बस कर डालूं। इसलिए भाई पुरानी हमारे
And
संस्कारों
then
की
we
संस्कृति
indulge in
में
bad activities.
और आयुर्वेदा में भी जो कहा
So
जाता है,
that's why even in Ayurveda it is
आयुर्वेदा तो
said,
एक वेद है ना,
Ayurveda also is a Ved.
वेद का भाग है।
It's a part
क्या
of
कहते
Ved.
हैं?
What it says,
सूर्य अस्त से पहले खा लो,
just
5
eat
बजे
before
तक, और
sunset.
जितना जल्दी हो जाए सो जाओ।
And as soon as
8
possible
बजे
after
तक सो
sunset
जाओ।
you should just
मतलब
sleep
हो
by
नहीं
8
सकता
p.m.
practically
I know it's
speaking।
practically impossible these days.
लेकिन
But
आपको ये समझाना चाहता हूँ कि कारण क्या है।
I want to explain you that what's the reason.
जैसे ये रात्रि बेला चलेगा,
As this
देखो अब
night
ये संध्या
comes,
होनी है ना,
see, right
जब
now,
दिन और रात की संधि होती है,
this is evening time, when the day and night.
इसको
the
भी
joy.
ब्रह्म मुहूर्त कहा है।
So this is also
इससे
called
मंदिरों
Brahma
में
Muhurt.
आरती होती है।
That's why there is aarti in different
शिव और
temples.
पार्वती जी
Shiv and
अपने वाहन
Parvati,
पर बैठकर सारे ब्रह्मांड
they
को चित्ता लगाते हैं।
on their
सुबह ब्रह्म मुहूर्त और संध्या ब्रह्म मुहूर्त।
vehicle, they just
और इस समय यदि हम थोड़ा
travel in the
नाम
whole
करते हैं,
universe. And if at this time
लगभग
we are
वो समय
chanting
जहाँ
or
पर
doing
संधि
some
हो रही है।
spiritual activity, exactly that period
उस
when
समय
the
विशेष
which is the conjunction of day and night.
15 मिनट 10 मिनट
So that 15-10 minutes, just start chanting, start doing aarti and all those things.
और उस समय यदि कोई
And
भोग
at that
करता है,
time, if someone is
संतान
enjoying,
उत्पत्ति करता है, तो उसके यहाँ पर असुर जैसे बालक ही जन्म लेते हैं, जैसे दीति के यहाँ पर
in that place,
हिरण्याक्ष और हिरण्यकशिपु
only
के
demon-like kids they take birth, like
दीति ने तो वही किया।
Diti's sons,
अपने
Hiranyaksh
पति
and
कश्यप जी का
Hiranyakashipu.
गला पकड़ लिया, मुझको
दीति did
पुत्र
this
प्राप्ति चाहिए।
Just held the neck of Kashyap ji and said that I really want to indulge with you in physical relation to get a
लेकिन
son.
दीति तो रह नहीं पा रही।
Now Diti is not able to control
नहीं, आप
herself.
उसको अभी पुत्र
The
प्रदान
husband
करो।
is saying that no, this is not the right time, it's evening.
दीति ने अपने पति
Diti
कश्यप
said,
जी
"No,
को दीन कर दिया,
you
इसलिए
have
उसका
to do
नाम
it."
दीति है।
And then she actually made the husband
और कश्यप
helpless,
जी
and
ने
that's
दीति
why
की
she
सेवा
got the
की,
name
उसके बाद
Diti.
दीति को बड़ी
Now
लज्जा
Kashyap
लगती
ji
है।
satisfied Diti, and Diti then
तो
became
कश्यप
very
जी क्या
guilty.
किया?
And
तुमने
Kashyap
मेरी
ji
बात
cursed
नहीं मानी,
her that
शिव
you
के
did
चरणों में
not
अपराध किया।
actually follow my
तुमको
words. You did offense at the lotus feet of Shivji, so you will get demon-like sons. Then Hiranyakashipu and Hiranyaksh, they took birth, and this is the reason, because
भोग विलास इंद्र की मिट्टी में लगे थे, इसलिए ऐसे बात
They-
का जन्म।
got birth because of the
देखो
mother
हम
and
जितने भी
engaged in
स्मार्टफोन
wrong activity at the wrong time.
भागवत जी की
See,
बातें
howsoever we get
और
advanced
पुरानी
in
जो
technology
संस्कार
and
की
all,
बातें का बड़ा महत्व रहा है।
but there have always been importance of the words of
गर्भधारण
Bhagavatam.
संस्कार
See, there is this sanskar called
पूरे जीवन
Garbhadharan
में
sanskar.
हमारे
In the whole
10
life of ours,
संस्कार होते हैं।
there are 10
कोई अंतिम
sanskaras.
संस्कार होता है, वो तो फिर शमशान में होता है।
Last is Antim sanskar that happens in the
लेकिन प्रथम
crematorium.
संस्कार आरंभ ही कहाँ से होता है? गर्भधारण
But the
संस्कार।
first sanskar starts from Garbhadharan sanskar.
संतान उत्पत्ति करना है,
When
उससे पूर्व एक संस्कार किया जाता है।
devotees, they want to
ये
get
नहीं,
a
जब
child,
संतान उत्पत्ति
then they follow a procedure.
गर्भधारण संस्कार करने
to
से
beget the
जो
child.
संति होती है, जो संतान
That
होती
is
है,
Garbhadharan
अच्छे विचार
sanskar,
वाली,
because
सत्य
after that the
वाली,
son that they get, the child that they get, that's very noble and saintly child. Otherwise, ghosts will come in the form of child.
फिर माता पिता बोलते हैं, अरे ऐसा क्यों हुआ?
Then the
ऐसा क्यों
parents
हुआ,
say
ऐसा क्यों
that,
हुआ?
oh, why this happened, why this happened?
आपने संस्कार किया था,
Oh, did you do sanskar?
कोई नियम कानून पालन किया था?
Did you follow any rules and regulations?
तो ये स्थिति है।
So this is the stage.
अच्छा, फिर ये भी नहीं, पिछले जन्मों का संस्कार का भी बहुत लेन देन है।
And not just
बहुत
this,
सी बातें
there
हैं,
is so much
details।
relation of the previous births also. So many details.
तो इसलिए कहा जाता है संध्या
So
में
it is
जितना
said
जल्दी
this.
हो जाए सो जाओ। तमोगुण जैसी समय बढ़ता गया, 9, 10, 11 तामसिक गुण बढ़ता गया, और जब जैसे तामसिक गुण बढ़ता गया, बुद्धि विवेक सब भूल जाती है।
So the more
तामसिक
mode of
गुण-
ignorance is coming,
इसलिए पहले हमारे बुजुर्ग लोग भी
then all the bad
समय पर
activities
सो
starts
जाते
being
वही
done.
तामस समय आ
That's why
गया।
our Guru Vargas and our ancestors also, they used to sleep early
सोना
at
भी
night,
तामसिक क्रिया है।
because sleeping also is a mode of ignorance. And then they used to wake up at 4 in Brahm Muhurat,
वातावरण शांत
and very peaceful atmosphere.
मंदिर में जाकर क्या आनंद लगता है।
It's so blissful going to the temple, chanting, playing kartal, kirtan and all, so blissful.
फिर दिन में रजोगुण आरंभ हो जाता है।
Then at the daytime,
वही काम
mode
करना
of
है, भाग दौड़ है, ठीक है, जरूरी है,
passion comes up.
लेकिन तामस से तो अच्छी स्थिति है। ये कारण होता था
So now
जल्दी
this is the
आहार करना
reason
और जल्दी सोने का। समझ आया?
of early to bed, early to rise. That's the cause.
तो जैसे हमारे अंदर ही देव का
Like
मतलब
we
सत्वगुण
have
का वास है,
Demigods,
ऐसे ही हमारे अंदर तमोगुण का भी स्थान है।
we have
और ये सारे
mode of
गुण
goodness
activate
inside.
होते
In the
चले
same way, we also have mode of ignorance, and all these
Activate
modes
हो
they
जाते
start activating.
जैसे कहते हैं कि
As they
भाई इस
say,
व्यक्ति को कैंसर हो
oh,
गया।
this person has got cancer.
अब आजकल ये तो
Now these
ऐसे हो गया जैसे
days,
जुकाम हो जाता है किसी
it is so
किसी
common,
दूसरे व्यक्ति को
like
कैंसर
cold
हो गया।
and flu. Every other person is getting cancer.
कैंसर के सेल पहले से ही शरीर में हैं,
Cancer cells are already
सबके
present in
अंदर
the
है।
body, in everyone's body.
किसी के अंदर एक्टिवेट हो जाता है, मतलब प्रफुल्लित हो
They
जाता
get
है,
activated at some
बढ़
person,
जाते हैं, बस उसको कैंसर हो गया।
so that person gets cancer.
होता तो सबके अंदर है।
Everyone has it.
ऐसे गुण भी
In the same with this quality also, they get activated.
एक्टिवेट समझते हैं?
You know activate?
किसी का फोन रिचार्ज समाप्त हो जाता, भाई 300 रुपए
A
डालो,
person's
activate
phone
करो।
recharge is
Recharge
finished,
activate
then you try to get that recharge activated.
करो। सत्वगुण, तमोगुण, रजोगुण।
That's Sattva-gun, Tamo-gun, Rajo-gun.
गुरु जी की बात नहीं मानी
Not following the
तो
words of
तमोगुण
Guruji,
एक्टिवेट हो गया,
then mode of ignorance will
और
start.
गुरु जी की बात मान ली तो
And if
सत्वगुण एक्टिवेट हो
Guruji's
गया।
words,
इंद्र ने अपने गुरु जी से
follow,
मुख मोड़ लिया,
then
गुरु ने भी मुख मोड़ लिया, बस असुरों को पता
सत्वगुण
लग गया,
starts.
आक्रमण हो गया। ऐसी जब हम भी गुरु जी से मुख मोड़ते हैं
in the same way, when we
तो
also
असुरों का
turn our face away
बहुत
from
बड़ा आवाज
Guruji,
हो जाता है,
then
एक्टिवेट हो जाते हैं।
the demons, they become more
तो
activated.
ये हमारी स्थिति, ये इतने सारे उदाहरण
So many examples.
जहाँ पर
Where
खड़े होकर स्वागत करने की क्या पद्धति है। तो कल की कथा में हमने सुना कैसे शुकदेव गोस्वामी जी
we
आए
heard yesterday
और
that
सभी
how
खड़े होकर
Shukdev Goswami, when he came, then all the
लेकिन
other personalities, they stood up.
गुरुजन आपके लिए खड़े नहीं होंगे,
But Gurujan will not stand up for you.
और यदि आपके लिए खड़े होंगे तो
And
फिर
if
आपकी
they stand
समस्या
up
पूरी हो जाएगी।
for you, then it will be
अभी इस पर मैं आता
a
हूँ।
calamity for
एक
you.
भजन सुनो।
I'll come on that. Let's hear it.
की जय।